Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BUSD from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're looking to move your BUSD assets seamlessly between these platforms, you're in the right place. This process is quicker than you might think, but always remember, crypto transactions involve real money, so double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Crypto.com, and that you have some BUSD in your Coinbase wallet. We'll assume you're using the latest app versions for 2025, which might have some updated interfaces for better security. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and find your BUSD balance. Tap or click on it to open the asset details. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send button. This is usually prominent, but in 2025, Coinbase might have enhanced it with biometric verification for extra protection. Select BUSD as the asset you want to withdraw. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input your Crypto.com wallet address. To get this, open your Crypto.com app, go to your wallet, select BUSD, and copy the deposit address. Paste it into Coinbase, and specify the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check for any network fees. BUSD typically uses the BEP20 network on Binance Smart Chain. Step 4. Review and confirm. Coinbase will show you a summary of the transaction, including estimated fees and arrival time. In 2025, expect faster processing, maybe under 10 minutes, but it can vary. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to verify via email, SMS, or two-factor authentication. Once that's done, switch to your Crypto.com app. Step 5. Check your wallet. Your BUSD should appear shortly. If it doesn't, give it a few minutes and refresh, or look into any pending transactions. A quick tip. Always use the correct network when withdrawing. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Also, keep an eye on market volatility. Crypto prices can swing while your transfer is in progress. There you have it. You've successfully withdrawn BUSD from Coinbase to Crypto.com. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.